drum loader is quite a unique trailer designed specifically for handling cable drums. This focus explains its low-profile design and integrated pair of cranes. The 2024 model boasts a lifting capacity of up to 52 tons, allowing it to handle drums up to 4.2 meters in diameter. To ensure stability, the trailer features retractable supports. Customers are thrilled. There is no longer a need to coordinate with a forklift, and the time required to prepare the cable for transport has been cut down from an hour to just a few minutes. Several years ago, Jost introduced the KKS automatic coupling system, revolutionizing trucking. With this system, drivers can connect or disconnect tractor units and semi-trailers without leaving their seat, similar to gameplay in video games like Euro Truck Simulator 2. Simply back up gently until the kingpin locks securely into the fifth wheel coupling. The mechanism closes automatically, eliminating the need to manually connect electrical or pneumatic systems. This reduces errors or damage from misaligned couplings, making the KKS system invaluable for both traditional and autonomous trucking. Check out this trailer. It not only carries up to 36.2 tons, but also extends in length. When fully stretched, it reaches 15 meters, significantly surpassing many competitors. A truck using this trailer can transport multiple pieces of equipment or long loads such as building materials. Its efficiency is further improved by a low-profile design and the adjustable Cush 25K air suspension, which guarantees optimal road clearance. We looked up the price, around $9,000. An innovative printer that attaches to a truck and prints road markings at incredible speeds. Each marking element takes less than 30 seconds. The printer uses a specialized thermoplastic paint that maintains its color and integrity for many years. It is also highly durable, with certain types used exclusively on runways. With this printer, workers not only complete tasks faster, but also operate more safely, especially when applying markings on busy highways. SteelBro claims to manufacture the most valuable side lifters in the world. These machines convert ordinary trucks into self-sufficient vehicles, allowing containers to be placed quickly and easily anywhere. If needed, you can even load them in pairs. Containers can be transferred directly from one trailer to another or onto a flatbed rail car when conditions permit. During unloading, the long boom reach proves useful for stacking containers. The top SteelBro model boasts an impressive lifting capacity of 45 tons. Even with stabilizing legs, it moves swiftly and offers remote control functionality featuring 2 speed modes, among other capabilities. Sounds like a fantastic deal. It is no surprise that SteelBro loaders are among the best-selling worldwide. Raul Cordona has spent hundreds of thousands of miles behind the wheel of a truck. Like many other drivers, he faces the challenge of finding decent food while on the road. Traveling from one rest stop to another, often with only questionable diners around, eating well can be difficult. That is why Cordona came up with a mobile grill that also doubles as a stove. To bring his concept to market, he founded Grill Hall. The grill's standout feature is its mounting system, which attaches directly to the truck chassis behind the cab. There is also a hitch mount for pickup trucks, and one version even includes a built-in step. It is a clever design, though the price might seem steep. The most advanced model costs $1,500. Specialists at Napen Trailers are rethinking bumpers. You might assume there's nothing left to innovate, since their primary function is to protect vehicles from serious damage in minor collisions. However, Napen has a unique vision. They've developed a trailer bumper that can raise by 20 centimeters. Why is this useful? Because many countries regulate the minimum distance between the trailer bumper and the ground. On rough terrain, this distance can become too small, risking potential damage. Napen's bumper is remotely controlled, with its position visible from the cabin via indicator lights on the trailer. Truck cabins serve not only as sleeping quarters for drivers, but also as a means to improve fuel efficiency through advanced aerodynamics. In some cases, fuel consumption can decrease by up to 15%. That's a compelling reason to consider purchasing one, with the added comfort being a welcomed bonus. Let's take a closer look inside the Spoitrack Max XL cabin. While the space may seem compact, it comfortably fits a 70-centimeter wide bed along with amenities like a TV and refrigerator. There's also storage for spare clothes and other essentials. Additionally, the updated interior features enhanced insulation. Sleipner DB45 trailer has two key advantages. It is both a low bed and off-road capable design. This trailer can be coupled with a dump truck and is capable of transporting heavy equipment such as tracked bulldozers. With the Sleipner DB45, you can reach the worksite faster while reducing unnecessary wear on the undercarriage. According to the developers, the undercarriage may last 2 or even 3 times longer than usual. With a carrying capacity of 45 tons, this trailer is ideal for transporting heavy machinery like drilling rigs and excavators. Additionally, its low bed design saves time and reduces stress for operators. When folded, the railgate platform fits snugly against the trailer doors. When extended, it efficiently transports loads back and forth. What an upgrade this is! Especially valued by drivers who deliver goods to stores every day. Depending on the model, the railgate platform lifts either 1134 or 1361 kilograms. All platforms are equipped with a compact and discreet toggle switch by default, which turns off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. An optional remote control can be ordered, along with a power switch for the platform that can be installed inside the cabin. And if you do not yet have a truck, the creators of Railgate also offer smaller models for vans and pickups. These air-based bags are designed for controlled lifting, holding, and lowering of various equipment, from bulldozers to trucks. One version of this system can support up to 866 tons, enough to lift an M1A1 Abrams tank. You can be confident that the system will not be damaged by the tracks. However, the most impressive feature of MatJack Landing Safe Lift bags is their exceptional reliability. Developers claim that no additional equipment is required during operation. Ease Tout is a smart removable towing system, built with budget-conscious customers in mind. However, once installed, a truck equipped with Ease Tout does not fall short of a fully fledged tow truck. Ease Tout can lift 9 tons and tow up to 18 tons. It includes a remote control, making it easy for a single operator to manage. A variety of additional option packages further enhance convenience when using Ease Tout. A typical truck tank holds around 500 liters of fuel, allowing drivers to get from point A to point B. But for thieves, this is like liquid gold. Last year, a gallon of diesel at US gas stations cost about $4.50. So it's a good idea to ensure that money isn't going to waste, right? That's why the iCap system was created. Its main feature is special gas tank caps that trigger an alarm if a thief tries to open them. The GPS tracking option is also great for fleets, allowing you to see exactly which truck the thief is trying to drain fuel from. Plus, iCap keeps a history of tank openings and closings. The Hoplo system helps drivers manage blind spots. It is a radar-based solution with customizable settings that presents clear data on a screen. To prevent false alarms, Hoplo verifies each detection 5 times before alerting the driver. The system functions effectively in all weather conditions and is compatible with various types of heavy machinery, including forklifts, excavators, and trucks. UN statistics show that traffic accidents injure between 20 to 50 million people worldwide every year. How can these numbers be reduced? Seeing Machines offers a solution. They point out that many accidents stem from human error. Drivers get distracted by their smartphones, drinking coffee, or fatigue. That's why monitoring is essential, and the Guardian generation system is designed for exactly that purpose. Using cameras and AI, it detects when a driver is drowsy or distracted, then issues visual, audible, and vibration alerts. The system can even notify the fleet dispatcher. Would you feel comfortable driving knowing AI is watching you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Many truckers dream of having a hammock in their cab. 9 out of 10 people might shrug this off and return to watching cat videos. But that 10th person, Stephen Saunders, decided to start his own company and sell his hammocks to everyone. The truck snoozer model costs $635 and has sold over 900 units worldwide. It measures 244 by 71 centimeters, fitting almost any tractor cab, and can hold up to 181 kilograms. No more sleeping on seats or curling up with your feet on the dash. Saunders also offers the kids snoozer hammock, which can be installed in passenger cars and is perfect for kids up to age 11. The engineers at Benelux El Gras have introduced an innovative upgrade for trailer gates. Typically, these gates simply swing open, which is not always practical. For example, if the trailer is parked in a tight space, there is a risk of the gate striking another vehicle or even injuring someone if left unsecured and slightly ajar. To solve this, Benelux El Gras developed gates that not only swing open, but also slide parallel to the trailer's walls. This innovation allows for easy operation without the need to leave the cabin. If you're a fan of road-themed topics, you might recognize the mechanism on the screen. It's the Robson drive system. It's used to enhance roadability with no gimmicks, just solid hardware knowledge. The drive axle spins a small drum, which then spins the wheels of the non-drive axle. Thanks to its simplicity and convenience, the Robson drive is popular not only among dyers but also in production trucks. Volvo offers it as an option, while Scania and DAF use third-party expansion kits. However, the Finnish company CSU took it a step further by installing the Robson drive as a standard feature. The DHLM is a tail lift used to lift and lower loads. The DHLM 1.0 can handle loads of up to 1 ton, while the more advanced DHLM 2.0 can manage 2 tons. Both models automatically lower to ground level and feature 4 hydraulic cylinders, 2 lifting cylinders, and 2 rotaries. Customers can choose between aluminum and steel platforms. Aluminum is lighter while steel is stronger. The width also varies, with a maximum of 255 centimeters for both models. The DHLM10 has a smaller width of 125 centimeters. Welcome to Right Track Systems, your go-to destination for top-notch rubber tracks designed for off-road tasks. Did you know tracked equipment could boost your off-road performance by up to 700% and extend the life of your original tires? Plus, they're game changers in mud, snow, and other tough conditions. On top of that, you can install these tracks in just an hour and remove them in mere minutes. Built to be 5 times stronger than regular truck tires, they also safeguard your sidewalls. The secret lies in the special rubber that makes these tracks 100% repairable. And if you need something tailored to your specific equipment, no worries, Right Track Systems is happy to customize for a wide range of machinery, from bobcat loaders to powerful 3-axle semi-trailers.
Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this review helpful, give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Catch you in the next video.